Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store on your POCO C40. So if we try to download any app on our Google Play Store, for example this one, it will be available to download, but if you click on install, it's in a pending state and won't download at all. Also, if we try it with Google Chrome to visit any website, it has this problem as well. So to fix this, let's open up our settings. Navigate all the way down to find additional settings. Here, locate date and time and enable use network provided time. Now if we go to Google Play Store and try to download the app again, it should work. If not, we might need to restart the Google Play Store entirely. But it started the actual download, so let's cancel it for now. And open Google Chrome, reload the page, and it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.